Hey folks, the holidays are coming up on us really fast here. And the other day at work, several of us were talking about like what to bring to like a party, for like an appetizer or whatever. And I always said, well, my standby is always deviled eggs. Gotta love deviled eggs. Everybody does love deviled eggs, except this one person that I work with, and she is highly allergic to egg yolks. She can eat the whites, no problem, but she is allergic to the egg yolks. And I'm like, that really must be terrible that you can't have deviled eggs because you're allergic to egg yolks. So I decided to come up with some yolk-less deviled eggs. And I thought of two different ideas, came up with two different ideas. And I'm going to make them, and you can see, I'm going to show you how to make them, and then I'll come back and I'll taste them because I've never tasted these. And in my mind, they sound like they would be really good. One of them has hummus and the other one has avocado. So here's how I make them. Okay, here I have a half cup of hummus. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You just want to mix this up really well, give it a taste, see if it needs any seasonings. Nope, it's fine. Okay, let's get this into the piping bag and then get it into some eggs. And you see in the background there I've got the sumac for the garnish. So let's just fill these egg whites with this mixture. Guess it kind of looks like deviled eggs at this point already, with that color of the hummus. Okay, let's garnish with some sumac. This is a really nice kind of a citrusy flavor. It doesn't add any heat, but it does have a lot of flavor. So just add as little or as much as you want. Looks like deviled eggs to me. Okay, that's seems like enough for my taste. Okay, into the fridge these go. Now let's make the other one. Here I have a half cup of avocado, and then a teaspoon of lime juice, and a tablespoon of sour cream. And those avocados are just mashed. I mashed them with a fork. And then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It's the mustard which makes deviled eggs taste like deviled eggs. Then I'm gonna garnish it with this chili lime seasoning. So give that a good mix. See if it needs any. Yeah, it does. It needs a pinch of salt. So gonna add a pinch of salt. And then just give that a good mix, and I think we're good to go at this point. So let's add this avocado mixture to our piping bag and get that into the eggs. And here we go. Now these definitely don't look like deviled eggs because the avocado is greenish, but that's fine. The lime juice will help keep it, that color, keep it from discoloring. Now we're just going to garnish this with some of this chili lime seasoning. It's not very spicy either, or hot. It adds some good flavor. Okay, into the fridge this goes, and then let's give them a taste. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, right? Well, here they are. And they turned out, they look good if you ask me. Yoke-less deviled eggs. Now, the avocado ones do look a little strange because they are green. It's avocado. The hummus looks like your traditional deviled egg. So let's give them a taste, starting with the avocado. I have to admit, those flavors go together really well. You can taste that Dijon mustard with the avocado, the sour cream, and that chili lime. Really, that chili lime seasoning really does pop. Really adds to the flavor. That's really good. That, to me, tastes like a deviled egg. You've got the egg white there and everything. So I think this one is a success. Let's try the hummus. Once again, those flavors do go together well. The hummus with the Greek yogurt and the Dijon mustard there in the background. This is really good, and I love that sumac. I always put sumac on my hummus whenever I have it. I keep hummus here, and I keep sumac here, and I keep it at work because we have some hummus in our brick room. So every now and then I like having a snack with some hummus, and I put sumac on it. Well, there you have it, folks. If you want to make something completely different for the holidays coming up, make you some yolkless deviled eggs. Whether or not friends or relatives are allergic to them, they taste really good. And I did not waste those leftover yolks. I actually used them to make some egg salad. And that was some over-the-top egg salad using just egg yolks. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.